Whoop. Guys, I just had to go ahead and interrupt this video real quick because I've got some exciting news. We officially have Echoes of the Past merch. We've got shirts, we've got hats. This black and gray snapback is my personal favorite, and it's one of 3 different styles of hats. The back of this t-shirt that I'm wearing right now was actually hand drawn by my brother Sam. It depicts a reenactor leaving his desk job on a Friday to head to a reenactment for the weekend. And it was made to look as if it was taken from a 1940s comic book. This shirt is the first of many Reenactor Ricky shirts, all of which will be depicting Reenactor Ricky in some kind of reenactor stereotype situation. Once the next one drops though, this one will be gone for good, so go ahead and get one while you can. Also, you may have noticed that the room looks a little bit different. That's because it's not the same room. My wife and I just moved into a 3-bedroom house. Also, to celebrate hitting 100,000 subscribers, I'm giving you guys 10% off your first order. Use code ECHOES100K at checkout to get 10% off. Click the link in the description below to get some sick Echoes of the Past merch today. Going. Why is he going all the way up there?
All right, Pete. You and Luke post up there. Watch the road.
Copy.
Right.
All right.
Full security on the back. Watch our rear.
Yep. What's the word? Hey! Hey! Contact!
Hey! Pull back!
We got a bunch of Germans in the alley there, Sergeant! I help them get out of there. Get ready to fall back! He's cut off! He's cut off! We've got a whole platoon coming down this alley!
Hey! Move up!
You've got a whole platoon in that alley! What's that?
We have everyone online. Frenchie's watching our rear.
Oh.
What happened?
That grenade just landed right at their feet and didn't go off.
I'm gonna pull rear security.
Wait, rear? They're shooting towards us.
No, not yet, not yet.
Why are they shooting towards us?
We need to pull
What's
those guys
Nelson
back
shooting at?
across the street.
We can pop out and give them some shots right here so they can move across if you want.
Give us the, all right. On me! Jurgen! We're gonna give you cover. Move across the street. Go!
What do you see, Sergeant?
Pull back! Pull back!
Pull back! Alex, get out of there! Kevin! Sergeant! Hey! They're flanking behind us! Whoa, 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 whoa. They're behind us, Sergeant! With me, with me, with me. We got a bunch of guys behind us. Don't fall back. With me, with me, with me. Fall back. Watch out, I'm moving in front of you. Move up.
Machine gun!
I'm gonna take him out. Get ready to give me some covering fire.
I'm reloading! I'll give you cover.
Guys, start taking hits.
Come on, McBride. Get a life at home! Oh. Now! Get that on your hood! Auf dich, Kate! Du, kommen Sie her!
Nein, schieße. Oh, they got me good, man. They got me good.